Here we have a Cadillac Escalade. I believe this is a 15, real nice car. So we took the door handle out, and most body people know how to do this. I'm going to show you how to get this handle in because it doesn't go in when you want to put it back in the standard way. It just won't click. So what we're going to do is put a string on this little latch in here and then pull that out. Then slide this back in, then let go of the string. So that's the trick. So I made a little loop. I'm going to slide it in there. You can use fishing line or string, preferably. It's easier to deal with. It's just a piece of cable wire, very small. I'm going to hook that in there. All right, see in there, I got it hooked. You see that? I'm pulling that. I'm going to slide it in. Slide that forward, pull it, and slide it back. All right, didn't quite go, so we're going to try again. Slide it forward, pull back, and slide it forward. Slide the string out. And there you go. Joe Beer Master, Car Master. Amazing. Quick in summary, we got the cable, we created a loop, wrapped it around that little lever on the inside, put the front in, slid it back, then pulled this back with the cable, then slid it forward. So the idea is you're leaving that lever inside flat, you're connecting this, putting that in, sliding it back, you pull this back so the lever comes forward and then the little arm hooks onto that lever. Then you slide the cable out. So if you're a master, the Car Master, hope you appreciated this video. Last thing you do is put the cap back on and you're good to go. Please subscribe.